Hello friends, welcome to our channel. If your 24-inch LED TV has sound but no picture, this video is for you. On our channel, we share daily videos on TV repair, software tips, and almost all running TV models. This video is step by step, so beginners who want to learn TV repair from scratch can follow easily. Step 1. Understand the problem. When your TV has sound but the screen is black, it usually means the backlight is not working. The LED strips inside the panel produce light for the screen. If the LEDs stop working, the screen stays black, but the sound works. Checking the backlight is the first step to fix this problem. Step 2. Safety first. Before doing anything, unplug the TV from power. Never touch the panel with power on. The LCD panel is very fragile, so handle it gently. Work on a flat and clean surface to avoid damage. Step 3. Open the TV. Remove all screws from the back cover and lift it carefully. Inside, you will see the power board, main board, and panel frame. Always remember the placement of parts so you can put them back easily. Step 4. Remove the panel frame. Remove screws from the panel frame carefully. Slowly lift the LCD panel and place it face down on a soft surface. Pressing too hard can break the panel, so handle with care. Step 5. Remove diffuser sheets. Under the panel, you will see white diffuser sheets. These sheets spread the light evenly on the screen. Remove them carefully and keep them in the same order, because you will put them back later. Step 6. Check the LED backlight strip. Now you can see the LED backlight strips. Use an LED tester to check each strip. If the LEDs light up, the strip is good. If the LEDs do not light, the strip is faulty. Sometimes one LED fails, and the whole strip stops working. This causes the no picture problem on your TV. Step 7. Replace the LED strip. If the strip is faulty, remove it carefully. Some strips are screwed, some are stuck with adhesive. Take the new LED strip and install it in the same position. Make sure the strip is fixed properly and aligned. Check again with the LED tester to confirm it works. Step 8. Reassemble the TV. Place the diffuser sheets back in the same order. Carefully place the LCD panel back on the frame. Fix the panel frame and tighten all screws. Finally, place the back cover and tighten all screws. Step 9. Final test. Connect the power cable and turn on the TV. If the backlight is working properly, the picture will appear normally. Now your TV is fully repaired and working again. Step 10. Channel info and ending. Our channel shares daily videos on TV repair, software tips, and tutorials for almost all TV models. If you want to learn TV repair from scratch, subscribe and follow our daily videos. This video is very useful for beginners, so watch carefully step by step before repairing your TV. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more TV repair tutorials.
Thank you for watching.
Repair tutorials.